Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious margaritas for your next party, step by step. We'll start by gathering all the essential ingredients. You'll need fresh lime juice, a good quality tequila, and an orange liqueur like Cointreau or Triple Sec. Don't forget plenty of ice, salt for the rims, and fresh lime wedges for garnish. A typical batch serves around 8 to 10 guests, so plan accordingly. Now, let's mix up a big batch for your guests. For a standard party pitcher, combine 2 cups of your chosen tequila, 1 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice, and 3/4 of a cup of orange liqueur. Stir all these ingredients together very well in a large pitcher or a drink dispenser. Always taste your mix and adjust the sweetness or tartness to perfectly suit your palate before serving. With your delicious margarita mix ready, it's time to prepare the glasses. First, rim each glass with salt. Simply moisten the edge with a lime wedge, then dip it into a shallow dish of salt. Next, fill each prepared glass generously with fresh ice. Finally, pour your pre-mixed margarita over the ice and add a fresh lime wedge to the rim for that perfect finishing touch. Cheers! To make your party even smoother, consider these helpful tips. You can prepare your margarita mix several hours, or even a day, in advance and store it in the refrigerator. This saves valuable time when guests arrive. Always offer a delicious non-alcoholic option for those who prefer it. Finally, set up a dedicated drink station with all the fixings for easy, self-service enjoyment. Enjoy your party.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.